In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Honkai Star Rail account. So if you want to log into the Honkai Star Rail account, first of all launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link hsr.hoyoverse.com. Press enter, or instead of that you can also open the Honkai Star Rail application if you want. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to see official site written. What you have to do is click on it. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here you'll be able to log in to your account. Click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username or email and password, or you can also log in with Google, Apple, Facebook and X. So simply click on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to log in with my email. So click on the field of username or email. Now enter your username or email over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. Now click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Honkai Star Rail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.